Want to know the secret words that can make any guy's heart skip a beat? Stick around because today I'm revealing 7 powerful phrases that'll have him falling for you faster than you can say love at first sight. If you're ready to charm his socks off, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Hey lovely, welcome back to the channel where we spill all the secrets to winning hearts. Today, we're talking about 7 phrases that are like magic spells for making a guy instantly fall for you. These aren't just random lines. They're backed by psychology and designed to spark attraction, connection, and that fluttery feeling in his chest. Ready? Let's get started. Phrase number 1, I love how you always know how to make me laugh. This phrase works because it strokes his ego in the best way. Men love feeling like they're your hero, and complimenting his humor makes him feel unique. Say this after he cracks a joke and watch his eyes light up. Pro tip, be specific. Mention a moment when he made you giggle to make it feel authentic. Number 2, I feel so safe with you. This taps into his primal instinct to protect and provide. It's not about acting helpless. It's about showing him his presence makes you feel secure. Whisper this during a cozy moment, like when you're walking together at night, and it'll deepen his emotional connection to you. Phrase 3, what's something you've always wanted to try? This question shows you're genuinely curious about his dreams, which makes him feel valued. It also sparks a deeper conversation, helping him open up. Guys love when you care about their passions, and this phrase sets the stage for a flirty, meaningful chat. Number 4, you make everything more fun. This is a subtle way to tell him he's special without being over the top. Say it after a great date or a casual hangout, and he'll start associating you with all his happiest moments. It's like planting a seed that makes him crave more time with you. Phrase 5, I'm really proud of you. Whether he aced a work project or hit the gym consistently, this phrase shows you notice his efforts. Men thrive on admiration, and hearing this from you will make him feel like a king. Just make sure it's genuine. Empty flattery won't cut it. Number 6, I love how you see the world. This is a powerful one because it complements his mind and perspective. Use it when he shares a unique opinion or insight. It tells him you're not just into his looks. You're captivated by who he is on the inside. Finally, phrase 7, being with you feels so easy. This is the ultimate heart melter. It reassures him that your connection is natural and effortless, which is what every guy wants in a relationship. Say this during a quiet moment, and he'll start picturing a future with you. There you have it, 7 phrases that'll make any guy fall head over heels for you. Try these out, and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. If you want to make men obsess over you, be sure to check the link in the description for more secrets to irresistible attraction. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. See you next time, and keep shining.